Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Last year we did a little experiment. We tried to grow some okra and some cantaloupe and then some watermelons and one other thing. I think it was pumpkin. Try to grow it all right next to the pool here in the understory of our huge oak. And it was late in the year. It was like past August, so it was already chilling down. We were unsuccessful with that experiment. This year we're going to do things differently. Alright, it's March the 30th, so we're on the very tail end of winter, and we should not be getting any more cold weather for the remainder of this winter season. So what you're looking at here, I've already planted the Seminole pumpkins there, and what I went ahead and did was I put some seeds of regular orange, the squash pumpkins, the orange ones, like Halloween, and then right here I put some cantaloupe seeds in the ground, and right over here I put a bunch of watermelon seeds into the ground. Now I've done a little bit of research on this, and this location under these conditions of the soil should do well. Now let me tell you about the soil. This soil has a lot of this, it's mostly like organic material. So if you look here, you can see all kinds of organic material. It's darker. This is where the organic material of this location in the yard would pretty much build up on its own. So over years and years of that happening, this soil has become very good for growing at this specific spot in the yard. But what I did was I dug shallow graves, then I put seeds in, then I put this organic soil right back on top of those, about an inch, and then I loaded up about an inch and a half of all of this what you see here, mulch. This is just palm frond branch mulch. Basically it's these chewed up by a Sunjo mulcher, a little tiny Sunjo mulcher. They're cheap, and this should do the trick over here. Now last year I experimented and put them out in the full sun in the heat of August and got very scorched results. So basically all the cantaloupe got scorched. All the watermelons got either scorched or eaten alive by worms. And all the pumpkins, same problem. So this year I'm hoping that we have a lot better luck as I'm doing it right. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned, because I want to keep you updated on the progress of all these squash and melon plants. Have a good day.